My name is Dan Cook. I'm standing in Escapology, Fayetteville. Escapology is Fayetteville's premium escape room. It's an entertainment business where families and friends come in here and you have 60 minutes to unlock clues, locks, and solve puzzles in order to work through an immersive environment. So we have 5 different rooms, from a laboratory to an old 1920s train car to a mansion to a submarine to an airplane. And it's just all built around being able to spend time with family and friends. A year ago I met Ben Stout, and when I was looking for property, within 2 days of signing the contract with Ben, we had people moving dirt in this building right here, and within a week of signing the contract, had concrete laid on the floor. This is not a regular office, it's not just a regular building. Each room was so dynamically different, from hidden doors to steel floors to an immense amount of electrical work that, but his team and the amount of time that they spent in here, and the project manager specifically. I'm extremely happy with the craftsmanship that went into building this building. I see Ben as like a trustworthy, good Christian guy that I know that when he says it costs this much, it costs this much. I would recommend Ben to others, and I look forward to working with him again in the future as I go and build the next one.
Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook to get the latest updates on all our projects. Visit facebook.com/Ben Stout Construction and click on like and follow. Thanks for joining our team.